How many times do you need time? Is time really uncountable? I know you are really good at this topic by now, but just a slight reminder. Time is really uncountable. Do you remember? I need time. How much time do you need? A week? A month, maybe? Time, in this case, is uncountable. And for example, days, weeks, hours are countable. I can count them. 1 day, 2 days, 3 hours, 4 weeks. But time is uncountable. I need times is incorrect in this case. I know. You have already heard the word times. Of course, it does exist, but it has a different meaning. When I say times, I mean occasions. For example, how many times have I told you not to leave the lights on if you're not in the room? In this case, it means how many occasions have I told you not to leave the lights on? I told you yesterday, I told you 2 weeks ago, I told you a month ago not to leave the lights on. Okay, so you can understand that it's not about time, but about the occasions it happened. I know it's not easy, it's a bit tricky. In your ebook, you can find further examples of this. I hope it's clear, but if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thanks for watching and see you with the next episode.